Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking our Skillshop platform to the next level by building a fully functional real-time messaging system. Whether it is a student asking a doubt or an instructor providing a guidance, a smooth chat interface is a must-have for any modern web application. In this video, we are not just building a simple text box. We are designing a professional responsive message panel using the power of Tailwind CSS, HTML, and JavaScript. We will focus on creating a layout that looks amazing on both desktop and mobile devices. This is our seller's messaging panel. We use a classic two-column layout to provide both context and content at the same time. On the left, we have a fixed width sidebar. This allows the user to switch between different conversations without leaving the page. We included a search bar at the top, which is a UX feature for power users who have dozens of chats. The right side is the conversation area. It is expensive, providing enough breathing room for long messages and keeping the focus purely on the interaction. Designing is about making communication feel natural. We use contrasting element and colors. Received messages are on the left with a light gray background, while sent messages are on the right with a dark navy background. This ping-pong layout makes the flow of conversation easy to track at a glance. Notice the small blue check mark and timestamp inside the bubble. This provides immediate feedback, letting the user know exactly when their message was delivered. In the top navigation, the Messages tab is underlined in blue. This simple visual cue tells the user exactly where they are in the Skillshop dashboard. Messages, we display the contact's name and a bio chat badge. This clarifies the relationship and ensures the user knows who they are talking to before they start typing. The message input bar at the bottom is rounded and clean. We use a placeholder like type your message to prompt the user to take action. The send button is styled with a dark background and rounded corners to match the reset of the Skillshop theme, making it the most obvious action on the screen. We use a visible scroll bar for the chat window. In the code, setting a fixed height width ensures that only the chat area scroll with the header and input remain fixed. The entire chat interface is wrapped in a card, subtle border and soft shadow. This floating card look makes the interface feel modern and lightweight. Now let's dive into our code. In our bio-dashboard.php file, we utilize Tailwind's powerful grid system to divide the screen into a professional 1:2 ratio. The first column is dedicated to the contact list. It is space fixed on the left, allowing users to browse their different sellers at any time. Using MD call span 2, we give the actual conversation the most extreme real estate. This ensures that long messages are easy to read and the UI doesn't feel compact. By setting H 600 pixels, we created an apply window stays static on the page, and only the messages inside it. Efficiency is the key to a great message UI. We included a sticky search bar at the top with the glass morphism focus effect, focus ring blue 50 divided by 50. This allows users to filter through hundreds of instructors instantly. With Y Auto, the contact list can be infinitely long without breaking the layout of the rest of the dashboard. Never show a blank screen to a first-time user. Until a user selects a contact, we display a friendly select a conversation placeholder with the emoji. This reduces user friction by clearly showing them the next step they need to take. We use conditional visibility to keep the interface clean, the hidden utility. Notice that the chat header and chat are hidden by default. We only reveal them JavaScript once a specific conversation is activated. This prevents users from trying to send messages to nobody. The trying area is designed to feel interactive and modern. We use rounded 2XL and a subtle beige gray 50 to mimic the look of top-tier apps like Message or Slack. The active scale 9500 class on the send button provides a tactile feel, making the button physically shrink slightly when clicked, giving the user instant confirmation action. And that wraps up our design session for the Skillshop messaging dashboard. By combining Tailwind's grid system with Smart UI state, we have built a communicating hub that's professional and intuitive. So this is the end of today's video. Thank you very much for joining with me, and I'll see you again with another video. Have a nice day all and goodbye.